In 2010, when I started my sales career, I was going through one of the biggest problems where every time when I meet client, I was not able to reach to the right decision maker. And due to that, I found most of the time my meeting end up without any kind of signing contract. Then I found one very interesting framework which called N.E.A.T framework. And in this particular framework I found, first you need to identify the need. N stands for need identification. And in this identification, you need to understand what kind of problems your prospect is going through. And if they don't have any kind of problem at all, what kind of end results, what kind of goals they are looking. Any of the clients, any of the deals is going to happen only when they are having either need or they are having any kind of certain goal. So in the step number 1, you need to find out these two things. The second step, which we called economic impact. You need to understand if somebody is investing 1 lakh rupees in your product or service, what kind of economic impacts are going to happen. They are going to double their money, or they are going to get some kind of recognition, they are going to get some kind of another deal. Until unless they are not going to have that kind of economic impact, they are not going to invest that money to you. The third in this particular framework is assess the authority, which is very much important. In most of the time, we have seen when we enter to any organization, we always interact with the surface level of people. And due to that, we waste so much of time to that particular customer. And due to that, we never reach to the closing point. So you need to make sure at the very beginning, first, second or third meeting, you ask them who is the decision maker and start making relationship with them. If you are not able to spend much time, at least you can go and say hi, hello and introduce yourself. Until unless you cannot reach to that particular audience, that particular person, there is a high chances you are not able to close the deal. Then at the end, which is called timeline, you need to make sure any of the deal you have signed with certain timeline. If you are taking a time which is really not allowable to close that deal, there is a high chances you are going to miss that deal. Every lead has certain timeline like 3 months. If you are taking 6 months for the same deal, that prospect is going to get not interested, or they will feel this person is useless for me. So make sure whatever products you are offering that you can close within time frame. So this was the N.E.A.T framework. I hope you found something useful. The one quick tip which I would like to give you, that is create a sense of urgency. See, it's very much important to ask your client to buy the things immediately, because your client is busy, you are also busy, and if you cannot ask them to make the decision immediately, there is a high chances your competitor will come and they will make the transaction. Hope you found this video useful. If you like, give us the thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please put in the comment box. See you in another video. Till that time, take care of yourself.